Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Aries. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, guys, and this card is for your career circumstance. Today, I'll be picking one card for your moon energies. So, this will be the card, guys, and one card for your love guidance. And this is the card. So, we will see what are these cards as we proceed into the reading, Aries. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Aries, I have a very good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever. So you can contact her. I have given her link in the description, guys. So let's start with these cards here, Aries, for your general energies first. So we have Sun, Chariot, and Eight of Air. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are, what to say, seeing things more clearly today, guys. So, maybe in some circumstances, you know the truth. So, you know with clarity what will work for you. And you maybe just a few days back or in the past, you would have had some ideas or maybe some dreams about your future, or it may just be dreams, guys, maybe even illusions. But today, you have a clear vision. So, you know the right choice or the right decision, right path of action, maybe in your work, or it may be your energy in this relationship. So, you know what will work perfectly for you and what is the truth. Maybe you have come to that stage, come to a better understanding of this person. So, you know what is there in their heart of hearts. So, you are building on that understanding today, guys, and all that experience you had. Maybe you both had a lot of difficulties trying to adjust to each other, and today, because of all that experience you faced, you are really fearless. You have overcome everything, and you feel really happy to be here, though these circumstances were really testing you, were really painful. But today you have that impact. You have realized the impact of these circumstances, and it is something making you really happy because you know the truth today. You know the truth whether this relationship is meant to be. Maybe this person is your person or not. So, some kind of clarity and reality has dawned upon you, upon this relationship, and that is what is making you really happy today, guys. And truth will bring happiness, whether maybe at that moment it may be quite painful, guys, but truth will always give us clarity and it will lead us towards peace and happiness, Aries. But with this card here, Aries, the Sun card, it's a very positive card. So, looks like whatever truth you have learned, maybe it will just bring you both together. That is what I see, guys. So, we picked one card for your relationship, Aries. We will see what it is first. It says 10 of Earth. So, looks like there is a positive change, just like I said with the Sun card. So, no matter what difficulties you faced, all these troubles and pain and stress, whatever it is just bringing you both together today, Aries. So, you can be happy for that. So, for your career situation, we picked one card. Let's see what it is. It is 7 of Water. So, in your work situation, you have a lot of dreams and goals, and you are thinking of those dreams and wishing that these dreams may come into reality. But you need to feel really confident and work towards those dreams if you want to achieve those dreams, guys. So, simply dreaming is not enough today. You must make a lot of efforts, concrete efforts, and trying to be really flexible. That is going to help you. Trying to see the right way to work towards those dreams and give up your stubbornness. That is going to help you a lot today, guys, Aries. So, for your moon guidance, we picked one card and we will see what it is. Believe in the impossible. Such an apt card for you all, guys. So, just now we were speaking about dreams. So, you may have a lot of dreams, impossible dreams, and even you may feel that these dreams cannot be achieved. But this is a very positive card. This means that it can happen once in a lifetime, just like the blue moon. So, some rare opportunities are coming your way. All you need to do is have that belief, have belief in your goals and work towards that, and you are going to be extremely lucky, guys. And maybe you have some plans about your future, it is going to work out. Or if you are thinking of a person, maybe you feel maybe you are interested, you want to just find out whether they will be the right person for you or not. This card suggests that they will be a very rare person, someone you can never find, and you can go towards that relationship, towards that person, and this cannot be an opportunity to be missed, guys. And this circumstance is maybe never going to repeat, so you have to make use of this circumstance. So that is what I see with this card, guys. So for your love guidance, we picked one card, Aries, and it is individuality. So with this card, it just means that each and every one of us, we have our own unique characteristics, and all our life path is unique. And when we grow emotionally and spiritually, we become more aware of our soul personality, guys, and that begins to express itself. And when that happens, we will know what is the truth of our spirit, so that individuality of ours, it just shines forth. So the people who come towards us, maybe in our personal life or in our works circumstances, whoever it is, they feel really influenced when we have that awareness of our true self, and when we proceed in our unique way, and when we embrace that individuality in our life, that is going to have a very positive influence on the people around us. And when we be ourselves, when we embrace that individuality and love abundantly, love the people we have, love our circumstance, and that is going to, what to say, lead us towards the purpose of our life. So that is what this card is about. The reading for you all today, guys. Aries, thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.